So you say, if you see Facebook adding advantage to anything, it's bullshit. Well, seriously, I would have totally agreed with you 6 months earlier. I mean, before this, as I'm actually making this video, but really recently, I spent a lot of time diving into the ideology behind the advantage or advantage plus anything like advantage plus shopping campaign, advantage plus audience targeting, advantage plus detailed targeting. All those advantage plus has got a lot of AI, like idea or algorithm or whatever mechanism that is going behind it. And to be fair, okay, Meta is always, well, they always take time to learn and getting better and better at what they do, which is, well, aren't we the same? So yeah, given some time, and now actually in many aspects, in my opinion, Meta is doing a good job in a lot of their Advantage Plus so-called products. Like recently in my training itself, I actually had a really detailed walkthrough and in terms of setting up the campaign and sharing some case studies of my clients using the Advantage Plus shopping campaign. It's really doing well. Yeah, because the idea of Advantage Plus is using the algorithm. So it takes time for Meta to learn about the behaviors, like who are the people who are likely to buy certain products, who are the people who are likely to be interested in certain products or services. All this takes a lot of real-time learning that feeds the algorithm or the AI, machine learning, whatever that is behind it to make it better and better. And now it's actually doing a lot better. So to break it down to you, right? Like Advantage Plus shopping campaign, for example, does really well in finding people who are really into buying things. And it doesn't just talk about buying, but it talks about people who are really actively looking for whatever you sell. So it also relates to your content strategy, to be frank. Like recently, a lot of my clients that are actually using clickbaity campaigns or ads are not really seeing good results because the idea is you want to let the AI understand what you sell so that they can actually match your product or your service to people who are actively looking for you. And how do they know that? Because you have Pixel, you have Conversion API installed on all the websites around the world. Whoever browse, let's say, a pen, Meta picks up the signal that this guy is interested in buying a pen. And he picks up the signal where this person actually browsed a pen 5 minutes ago. Chances are he hasn't made a purchase. In fact, not just chances are, Meta knows that he has not made a purchase. So it's a good time for them to show your ad, which is also selling a pen, to this person. So that makes the whole advertising totally different from Meta advertising. That's why I said it's intent-based advertising right now. So it's the same going to the Advantage Plus detailed targeting. It's the same that is going to the Advantage Plus so-called the ad optimization, the AI content optimization tools and stuff like that. So it's really something that is pretty stable and doing quite a good job right now. So if you are on the fence, like me, a while ago, I would actually recommend that you take advantage on, all these things. But of course, if you want to learn about the latest changes and updates that work right now, you can actually go to this. I have a Meta Ads Blueprint 2025 that I would share with you. What are the Advantage Plus tools that are working? Aside from that, other tools that you need to pay attention to, and the latest strategies that I use to design Meta Ads strategy for e-commerce and lead gen, and not just show you the strategy, but I walk you through on how do I set up in the Ads Manager. On top of that, I also share with you my latest optimization and scaling techniques or strategies that I've been using for my clients all around the world. So if that's something that you're looking for, scan this QR code. And yeah, all the best for 2025.